stop before you cut those pieces and take a look at your floor. Now this isn't going to matter so much for me because I am going to end up tearing this floor out and redoing this whole thing. But if you have a finished floor and you're just going to take your pieces of trim and go right down to that floor, you're going to want to make sure that your floor is completely level. So in my case, it is off just a little bit. So if this was my finished floor, what I would do is cut a nice straight piece of wood to go right here in between this frame, put my level on top of it, hold up that piece and see how much of a difference I have, and then I would cut that amount from that measurement off on the opposite side so that the top of the trim is level. That might be a little complicated to understand, but if you have a floor that is out of level and you put trim on it, then that trim is going to be out of level, therefore making the top of the trim out of level. So if you take that amount off of the opposite side, it will drop the top down so that it's level. In my case, all I have to do is hold one side up because I'm going to be ripping this floor out and undercutting the trim 3/4 of an inch up when I do my hardwood floor. So I don't have to worry about it.